they do. They rock, they roll, they can drill you out a hole. That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do.
Another day, another dump.
A good day's work done by all.
Oh, who's that?
Ah, Scooch.
Oh, we've still got some rubber left over.
Well, could you take it to the junkyard and tip it onto the rubble heap for me?
The junkyard? Oh, fantastic!
There, all finished.
Oh, guess where I'm going?
Oh, hang on, guessing. No, don't tell me.
To the junkyard!
Oh, jiggle my camshaft. I love the junkyard.
Me too. Let's all go.
Okay, excuse me. My behind.
Come on, this way.
Oh, it's a bit dark.
And spooky.
What was that?
That? Oh, that was probably just Truckzilla.
Truckzilla?
Yeah, he's a huge giant truck that comes out at night looking for small trucks.
Oh, no. What does he look like?
Nobody really knows. But as darkness falls, his engine starts, and he begins to prowl the neighborhood in low gear, his unblinking headlights searching the shadows. Then, just when you thought it was safe to go back in the junkyard, he strikes!
What does he do?
He crunches you into a million pieces!
Oh, but I don't want to be crunched into a million pieces.
Oh, I wouldn't worry about that, Scooch.
You wouldn't?
No. Much scarier things than Truckzilla come out at night. Now, come on, and keep your headlights peeled.
Right.
Now, there are some stories I've heard. Some may be true and others absurd, but nothing will give you a fright.
Oh.
Like things that go bump in the night. There's a machine that goes crunch. Will eat you for breakfast or eat you for lunch, but that shouldn't give you a fright. Like the things that go bump in the night. Shadows dancing on the wall, wings across the moon. Some things hardly scare at all, others sound like doom. From now on, you better look out. There may be a creepy thing creeping about, but nothing will give you a fright. Like things that go bump in the night.
Oh, Scooch.
Sorry, Diggs. Don't you think the junkyard looks a bit different at night? A bit,
Spooky?
yes, that's the word.
You're such a pair of scaredy trucks. I'm not...
Okay, Scooch. Hurry up and tip your load so we can get out of here.
But where's the rubble heap?
Don't worry. We'll help you look for it.
Millions of truck bits!
Truckzilla's been here!
But he can't. I made him up. There's no such thing as Truckzilla.
Look! Over there!
Truckzilla!
Let's go!
Scooch is taking a very long time. I haven't seen Diggs and Carrie either.
Knowing those three, they've probably gone to the junkyard together. I'll go and see if I can find them. I'll be back.
I do believe in Truckzilla. I do believe in Truckzilla. I do.
Will somebody please get me out?
Oh, I can't make my wheels move.
Well, thank you very much, Diggs.
What was that?
Oh, it's Truckzilla 2. The nightmare continues. We're doomed.
You're not helping, Diggs.
Look! It's getting closer!
Ah, there you are. I've been looking for you everywhere.
Carl!
You're not Truckzilla.
Truckzilla? What are you talking about?
Shh. There's still one here.
What? That's no Truckzilla. Look.
But that's just a pile of old truck bits.
Of course. Look, that's Bose's old scoop. And, oh, my old cab.
Oh, so there's nothing to be afraid of?
No, the junkyard is just the same at night as in the day, only a little darker.
What's that then?
That's just Maxine's old horn. Look, the wind is whistling through it.
Oh, well, I knew that.
Ah, things are much more scary when you don't know what they are. Come on, Scooch. Tip your rubble, and we can all go back to the site.
Okay.
Hello? Forklift's stuck in a hole here.
Don't you worry. Mr. Hooky will have you out of there in the blink of a winker. Come along, my little machine.
What about those truck bits?
They were so spooky.
And then we thought Carl was Truckzilla.
Yeah.
We really did have quite an adventure.
We certainly did.
It was quite scary, though.
Maybe for you.
Diggs, you were the biggest scaredy truck of us all.
All right, I admit it. I was a teeny weeny little bit scared.
Oh, Diggs.
Oh, all right. Yeah, all right. Wasn't that funny?
That's what they do. They're masters of construction, the heavy metal crew. They grab, they grip, they can take it to the tip. That's what they do. They lift, they load, they can run it up the road. That's what they do. They scrape, they scratch, they can fetch another batch. That's what they do. They drag, they drop, they can take it to the top. That's what they do.